Okay, so just kind of showing you all these fills have all the gradients ready to create, which are the gradients for metal. And let's see if I can. So here just starting with 1 point and starting to build the line with the pen tool, keeping it straight right here because I'm going to use the widgets in a minute. And just kind of setting a curve point all the way across, clicking to get a corner point, and then rotating all the way around. And sometimes setting the curve, at other times kind of anticipating the widgets for that curve right there. So that gives me that first setup. And then using the pen tool to set the anchor point. Here I'm just cutting through this so I keep the line straight all the way through. And I use the shape builder, so just using that point and using the smart guide once it sets it to that section and setting those curved pieces. So now it's just kind of letting those corners match up. And if these miters go too far, you can set them in the stroke to be a little bit tighter. And up here it has the curve that I've done. And then the next part is just setting a copy off to the side and then grabbing everything. I have to fix this right here with the shape builder, so I'll come back to that. But just giving it a fill. Here's the gradient. And just trying to edit some of these using the gradient editor. Take the shape builder and then using a different gradient, black to white, and setting it in there just to get a darker value. And that gives you the overall look to this image. So it's kind of just setting a copy over here and then just going back, seeing if there's any details here. I just kind of cut this to see if I can separate the two values because this is a little bit darker on the top. So I'm just going to use it as a quick sample. Here I can adjust the shading of this so the linear part has a little bit more shading to it. And it gives you that section to it. So that's where that stands. We'll see where it goes all the way through. Probably just take a look at this one as the final piece.